the cinema. Nice. Okay, have fun, Tommy. See you tomorrow at school.
Sorry, Alex. Not today. My dad is coming to pick me up. We go to the cinema. Dad will be here soon. We are going to watch the new movie together. So exciting. Maybe Dad is parking the car. Or maybe he stopped to buy snacks. Yes, snacks. No message from Dad. That is okay. He is probably on his way right now. Dad is a little late today. That is strange. He is usually on time. I call Dad now. He will answer and tell me where he is. No problem. Dad does not answer. I try again. Dad, please answer. Where are you? Where is Dad? It is getting late. I do not understand. Why is he not here?
I have the tickets already. Tommy will be so happy when he sees them. So excited. Tommy loves action movies. This one is very good. We will have so much fun today. Oh no. Traffic. This is not good. I need to get to Tommy. Come on, cars. I call Tommy now. I tell him I am stuck in traffic. He will understand. The phone is dead. Completely dead. No battery. I cannot call anyone now. Oh no. My phone battery. It is almost dead. Tommy-san, please answer. Please. Tommy is alone at school. My phone is dead. I cannot move. What do I do?
Every car that comes name, I think it is Dad. But it is never Dad. Where is he? Dad, please answer. I call again. Come on, Dad. Please pick up the phone. I try Mom now. Mom always answers. Mom, where are you? Please answer me. Nobody answers. The school is closed now. I am the only one still here. My tummy is so hungry now. I did not eat anything after school today. Why is Dad so late? Did something happen to him? Is Dad okay? I am scared. The sun was going down. The streetlights came on. And Tommy was still alone. It is getting dark. This is not good. Dad never comes this late. Never, ever. Okay, Tommy. Do not panic. Think smart. What does Mom always say? Think smart. I am alone. It is getting dark. But I am okay.
Come on. Please turn on. Tommy is waiting. Please, nothing. Excuse me. I am sorry to ask, can I please use your phone? It is very urgent.
Here, Phil. Please use it. I hope everything is okay for you.
I call Tommy on this phone. Please answer, Tommy. Please answer me. I cannot call Tommy. I cannot call Maria. I am stuck. I feel so helpless.
Dad is not answering. Mom is not answering. Why is nobody picking up? It is getting dark. Where is Dad? I am hungry. And I am a little scared.
Hello, young man. Are you okay? You have been sitting here for a long time.
Hello? I am waiting for my dad. But he is very late and I cannot reach him.
I see. Do not worry. You are safe here. My name is Mr. James. I work here.
Mr. James. Okay. I can see your badge. Mom says always check the badge first.
Very smart. Your mom taught you well. Here, Ben. Please use my phone to call.
Thank you, Mr. James. I called Dad first. He always answers. I hope he answers now. Dad does not answer. I try Mom now. Mom, please answer this time. Please. Mom does not answer either. Nobody answers. Both phones could shan. No answer at all.
No answer from anyone. What would you like to do now, Tommy?
I think that I need to go home. I know my address. I remember it very well.
Going home is a good idea. But be very careful. Always use an official taxi.
I send the message to Mom and Dad first. I tell them I am going home by taxi. Message sent. Good. Now Mom and Dad know where I am going. That is important.
Very good, Tommy. You sent a message first. That is very responsible and smart.
I look for an official taxi now. I check the roof sign and the license number first. There's an official taxi. Roof sign, yes. License, yes. I'll stop this one. Okay. Hello, sir. I need to go home. Please. I am alone and I know my address.
Hello, young man. You are alone? Where is your home address, please?
Yes, I am alone. My address is number 12, Green Park Road. I know it well. Seatbelt first, always. Mom and Dad say how. Safety always comes first. Good, bad, done. I watch everything outside. I check the meter. I note the street names. Stay alert. My house. We are here. I know this street. I am home. I am safe now. I count my money carefully. I pay the driver the right amount. That is important. Here is your money, sir. Thank you very much for bringing me home safely.
You are very welcome, young man. You are a very brave and smart boy. Well done.
I am home. I did it. I am safe. But where is Dad? I am still worried about him. I ring the doorbell. Mom and Sophie are inside. I am home now. I am safe.
Sophie, say, did you hear that? The doorbell. Who? Who is at the door at this time?
I hear it too, Mom. Who is it? Is it Dad? Is it Tommy? Who is there?
Who is there, please? Tell me your name before I open the door. Speak clearly.
Mom, it is me. It is Tommy. I came home by taxi. Please open the door, Mom.
Tommy? You are here? Alone? How? Where is your father? Oh my goodness.
Tommy came home alone? In a taxi? all by himself? How did you do that?
You are safe. You are home. I am so relieved. Come inside right now, my love.
Tommy, I am so happy you are home. I missed you. Do not do that again.
Finally, the traffic moves. I go to Tommy now. Please be okay, Tommy. Please. I drive as fast as I safely can. Tommy, I am coming. I am so sorry, son. Tommy. Maria, I am here. I am so sorry. Please, somebody open the door.
Carlos, you are finally home. Tommy is here. He is safe. He came home alone.
Tommy, you are safe. You are really safe. Oh, thank goodness. Thank goodness. Tommy, I am so sorry, son. I am so very sorry. I am so happy you are safe.
Dad, you are okay. I was so worried about you. I thought something happened to you.
I got stuck in traffic. My phone died. I could not call you. I am so sorry, son.
Carlos is home. Tommy is safe. Sophie is here. Our whole family is together again.
I want to explain everything. I want you to understand what happened today.
Oh, yes, Tommy. We want to hear everything. Please tell us.
We are all listening.
I waited a long time. I tried to call. Nobody answered. So I thought, what do I do? I sent a message first. Then I found an official taxi. Then I put lajitas on.
You sent a message first. You checked the taxi. You wore your seatbelt. Tommy, why?
You remembered everything I taught you. Every single thing. I am so proud of you.
Tommy Pie, you did all of that by yourself? You are the bravest person I know.
Tommy, I am truly sorry. I let you down today. That was not okay. I am sorry.
It is okay, Dad. I know you did not want this to happen. I am not angry at you.
Tommy was brave and smart today. But going alone is still risky. Always tell someone.
We learned something important today. All of us.
All of us.
As a family. Together we learned.
I learned too. I learned that Tommy is the smartest and bravest brother ever.